Scorpions, this is Star with Irana Stark. This is your forecast for the month of March 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall reading and I'll also use some oracle decks. I'm also being called upon to use a deck of playing cards with respect to certain messages from the universe. Scorpions, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story. Towards the final days of February, stepping into March, we have the Ten of Cups. Overall contentment was quite likely for Scorpions in this period. Possibly the energy flow was such that you had inked deals very quickly. Besides, payment had also come in. Maybe there were some minor worries. Maybe sometimes you may have felt that your elders were ignoring your voice or your point of view. Nevertheless, or all in all, this was a period where you felt quite content. Obstacles to overcome this month or the challenges that are in store for Scorpions worldwide, we have the Moon card. In all likelihood, you have to pay attention to your instincts or your intuition or your inner voice. There will also be dreams which could turn out to be quite prophetic. Sometimes you may also feel as though there are two decisions that are there before you. There could be confusion or there could be chaos as well with respect to choices that you have to make. Nonetheless, Scorpions, in this period, you will also be someone who will be quite creative. Your social circle will also widen in this month. There could also be travel or there may be travel plans as well. Maybe on the work front, you should focus a wee bit more. Maybe your loved ones may also accuse you of not taking responsibility. Scorpions, I think you shouldn't meddle in the affairs of other people. Sometimes it is better to keep away instead of creating misunderstandings. Influences for the month, we have the King of Pentacles. Again, this is the pentacle energy which talks about material wealth or it's a material vibration that you should capitalize upon. In case you're looking for employment opportunities or in case there's an interview lined up, then you should capitalize on it or you should make gains. Perhaps you could also talk about your sob story or your past sad experiences at work. And this could melt people in the interview panel. Possibly seniors could be kindly disposed towards you or the elderly who are there in the panel. They will pay attention to what you're saying. By the way, in case you're signing deals or in case you're doing some kind of paperwork, I think you should not allow anybody to take you for a ride. You should also read between the lines before you ink documents. Another thing, I think Scorpions, you'll be benefiting because somebody will watch your back and somebody will speak up for you. So this could help you come out of tricky situations. Your family members will also be promoting your talent this month. As an employee, you may feel as though time is at a premium. Maybe you want your boss to extend the deadline. Most certainly you will be obliged. So I think you could take that chance and you can speak to the management or the administrator about extending the time limit which has been given to you with respect to tasks. This month you're also being called upon to focus your energies on learning or maybe you need to enhance your skills as well. Also, Scorpions, I think you should be very transparent with respect to your dealings. Maybe you could arouse suspicion because you act behind somebody's back. Whatever it is, the month of March will also be marked by reunions. Your social life will also be on the upswing. Like I said, your social circle is going to widen this month. The first 10 days of March, we have the King of Wands. We have already had two kings in your reading, so you are being called upon to cooperate with other people. I think partnership will help you make the gains that you desire. The first 10 days of March, like I said, we have the King of Wands, so certainly your personal magnetism is going to be at its peak. It's also the time when you may find yourself being in control of situation. You could also benefit on account of your contacts or on account of your loved ones who will promote you. Sometimes you may feel as though the money on offer is inadequate, but then you know beggars can't be choosers, so you will take whatever comes your way. Work-related recognition is also quite likely for Scorpions. There will be positive feedback. Maybe you're somebody who always focuses on the customer, and that is why the client could praise you for your approach. Personally, I think Scorpions, I think you should mend your ties, or you should not get irked because your mom is critical of you. Maybe you could look into her needs. Sometimes you may feel as though that she is being meddlesome, or she is being hypercritical of you. That's why you could ask her to carry on the way she wants rather than taking your assistance. In this period, you may also be concerned about the health of a loved one. I think there'll also be guests who could arrive, and this could make the home environment quite stifling. Maybe you feel that you need to have your home to yourself. It's the time when you should bury the hatchet and you should move on rather than hold grudges. Those Scorpions who are at the helm of affairs, I think you'll be very strict with those who are caught flouting your rules. You may also give them a piece of your mind. Maybe you want the person to leave the workplace once the person gets a suitable job. Nonetheless, in this period, I'm also picking up that there'll be good developments with respect to legal matters. The next 10 days, that is 11th to 20th March, we have the Ace of Pentacles. Communication is going to increase. There'll be also minor gains in this period. You have a reason to be elated because you will get what you desire. However, emotionally, it may not be your best period. Maybe you will be temperamental in this period and your poise will desert you. So ideally, Scorpions, I think you should avoid offensive behavior. Maybe you shouldn't shower your anger on all and sundry. Sometimes you may also wonder why your family members are not being upfront. Maybe you feel that they're concealing the truth. Perhaps they're doing this for your own good. Those of you who are looking for better job opportunities have to be patient. You have to motivate yourself and look for employment opportunities, and you have to carry on. On the other hand, those of you who are already working, then you will complete a lot of work or you will complete a lot of tasks, and that will make you happy because you think that you are quite productive in this period. You know, sometimes we tend to lose our focus, so we will focus on something else and then we will return to the task that we were doing initially. So you could do just that. You may find that your routine could be disrupted. Maybe there could be a change in schedule because you have to attend to pressing matters. As many of you may also go on shopping trips in this period. Maybe you could splurge a bit. Interestingly, you may also be somebody who could be interested in spiritual matters. Maybe you could join some discourses or some spiritual programs as well. 1st to 31st March, we have the 9 of Cups. Rewards for past effort is quite likely in this period. I'm also picking up that maybe you will be somebody who could be flustered because there could be interruptions while you're working. Maybe you have to change your work environment a bit, or there could be changes in your work environment because of these interruptions, and these delays could leave you exasperated. Largely, I think you'll make good beginnings, but then you know you have to complete or you have to carry on before you can accomplish your ends. Technically also you'll be quite challenged in this period. Paperwork will also keep you busy in this time. Sometimes you may feel as though you're making slow progress because of the malfunctioning gadgets. Nonetheless, the Scorpions, I think you'll be making unexpected gains. This is the time to grab the opportunities that come your way. On the personal front also, you may find that your loved ones are quite demanding. Maybe you need to assist them as well. With respect to your love life, we have the card, the grass wasn't greener on the other side. So whoever you are dealing with, Scorpions, or even you may have had a choice with respect to matters of the past, and you may have realized that the person who is the right one is the ideal one for you. In case you're crushing on someone, I think you'll be quite nostalgic in this month. Maybe you may also want to express your feelings to this person. You may defer it. You may think it's not time yet. Whatever it is, I think this month you'll also be somebody who will continue to cyberstalk your crush. You want to understand his thoughts. Those who are single can also expect your admirers to reiterate their feelings for you, but maybe you are not going to respond to them. Perhaps he sees you as somebody who's quite selfish and egotistic. On the other hand, romancing Scorpions, I think you are somebody who will share every little detail with your lover. Perhaps there'll be times when you'll be discussing work, or maybe you could read books to each other, or you could discuss important books. Sometimes you may also wonder whether the two of you will walk down the aisle. Maybe you want to settle down. However, is also somebody who will be concerned about your health. Sometimes there'll be too much work that keeps the two of you engaged, so that is why you may not have time. Especially mid-month, that is 11th to 20th March, you may find that work would keep the two of you very busy. So that, by the way, some of you may also face opposition with respect to your love life. Maybe your family members could want to put an end to this relationship. Maybe you also feel that they're always prying or that they're keeping an eye on you. Those of you who are married, I think you may be frustrated because at times your spouse is someone who is quite crabby. Sometimes you may also feel that the marriage has its good and bad moments. Your spouse could be somebody who would help you out at work. He could also be the one who could be very romantically disposed towards you. Maybe the two of you will sing songs to each other, but then there are also those times when he could shower his eye on you. Anyway, your spouse is also somebody who could be delighted with your success at work, but then your in-laws may not be too happy. Many Scorpions could also be fretting over your spouse's professional decisions. Maybe you are concerned because your spouse could lose a big opportunity on account of the high price that he or she quotes to a client. This could disturb you a bit. By the way, those of you who are in an unhappy relationship or in an unhappy marriage, unfaithfulness could be a factor which could crop up in your conversations. We have Ace of Clubs. We also have the Two of Diamonds. Certainly opportunities are coming to make gains in this month for Scorpions. Paperwork is also going to increase. Sudden developments are quite likely. Like, you should also be careful of toxic energies around you, Scorpions. We also have the card Let Go. Walk away from the situation in order to resolve it. Sometimes, it's best to walk away from unhealthy situations or an unhealthy relationship, or even if a work environment is not good for you or something is not working out, it is better to release yourself or to detach yourself from those situations, because that is for our greater good. This is why your angels are asking you to do just that. Maybe you should give the relationship space and time for healing to take place. I hope, Scorpions, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.